push-up position. Keep your back straight and your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your body until your chest is almost touching the floor. Do not balance your torso. Explosively push yourself up as fast as you can. Use maximum force. Return to the initial position with your arms extended. Repeat.
1, 2, 3, come on!
This exercise helps build explosive power and strength in the pectoralis major and other chest muscles. It also engages the triceps and shoulders, tighten the core, and boost aerobic endurance. When done regularly, it stimulated your fast twitch fibers and improves athletic performance.
1, 2,